asked me, can you eat with Snap-on Smile? I'm going to tell you right now, the Internet Appliances, no, you cannot. These are not done online. These have to be done in a dental office by a dental professional that's experienced with Snap-on Smile. We're the #1 providers in the country. So, I want you, this is a ginger snap. This is not a soft piece of bread. Let's get a close-up of here. This is a real ginger snap, okay? All right, so go ahead, take a bite, chew, and tell me how it feels.
It feels good. It feels wonderful.
Is anything loose?
No.
Anything you feel uncomfortable, like something's going to fall out? When
No.
you're going to spit out your teeth when you're eating?
No, I don't feel
All right, finish that ginger snap. These ginger snaps are great. Okay, so keep on eating. I'm going to talk. If you think that you know somebody or you yourself want to change your life, traditional dentistry, veneers are too expensive, come see us. We are the #1 providers in the country for Snap-on Smile. You're going to be doing this, right?
Right.
High five me. All right, see ya. Bye.